Okay guys, this is my 2017 bike check, and you guys probably aren't aware, I broke my other frame recently, so I ordered a new one. So we're gonna start with the frame. I have a 2017 Volume Voyager frame. It's Josh Clement's signature colorway, the Northwest Green. I think it looks pretty sweet, and the orange goes good with it. Camo something I've never really done before, so I think it looks pretty sweet. And it's got a really short back end, 13-inch. It's really nice for spins and hard 180s out of grinds and stuff like that, which I'm learning to do better. So yeah, that's nice. 21-inch top tube, and that's about all for the frame. And then for my seat, I got a Colt AK pivotal seat in orange. I think it contrasts with the stickers, so I don't know, something different, looks pretty cool. I got a Demolition Paradise stem. I believe that's what it's called. I had it for a while now. I haven't had any problems with it. I like it. So David broke his. I don't really know what's up with that. And I have the Stevie Churchill signature headset, cap and bearings. I love the bearings. They're good. I mean, they're just a headset, so not much can go wrong with that, I don't think. I have Primo bars, 10-inch rise, cut down to about, what did you say, 27 and a half? Yeah, 27 and a half across. So it's good for learning bar spins. David wants me to start doing pull-up bars, which is kind of sketchy, but whatever. They're just flat black. And then I got a Primo HD fork with 135mm steer tube, I think, and a 15mm offset. I like the feel of it. It's nice. It works. A lot of people ride it, so nothing wrong with that. And then these are the Volume Voyager. I think they're called Volume Voyager grips in Northwest Green to match the frame, with orange bar ends, because they kind of had the idea of the orange contrast, so that's pretty cool. Got those to match it. Right now my crank arms are non-matching. One is black and worn out, the other one's chrome, as you can see right there. I broke the other one, haven't bought new ones yet. It's kind of expensive, so yeah, I don't even know what they are. I have Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. I've had these for a while now. They last quite a long time. I like them. Nothing to complain about those. This is the Primo Solid Guard, 25 tooth. It's just black to match the other black parts. Yeah, there's no problems with that either. It's taken a couple hits and there's like barely any marks or anything. So that's nice. And then I have a KMC 510 chain. It's pretty basic. I want to get a new one, something a little heavier duty, but it works for now. Nothing wrong with it. Right now I'm riding 3 pegs, which is not usual. I just put on the 3rd peg. You can see this one in the back too. So yeah, I ride 3 pegs now. I want to learn crooked grinds. These are just stolen pegs with Fiction Troop sleeves, I'm pretty sure, or other way around. But yeah, they're fine, they slide good, they're cheap. Good enough for me. I have Colt Vance tires, 2.35. They're really worn out, probably getting new ones soon because there's like holes in them in a couple spots. Back wheel is a Demolition Free Coaster. Had it for maybe a year now. Haven't had many problems. Most of the problems I fixed right away, so it's no big deal. I like it. Other people have had problems with it, but I haven't, so that's good. I got 2 G Sport hub guards in the front. They're universal. because I couldn't find the ones designed for this hub. So yeah, that's what I have right now for that. And then it's a Colt Match front wheel, I'm pretty sure, right? Okay. Yeah, David gave that to me when he got a new wheel. So shout out to David for that. Seat post is integrated, so nothing there. And bearings I just replaced, but I don't know what they are in the bottom bracket. But yeah, that's pretty much my bike. Hopefully you like it. Let us know what you think and tell us what videos we should make. Thanks for watching.